Hi everybody, it's Anya, and I wanted to talk about how my life has changed for the better since I started doing Qigong. So there was a time many years ago when I was quite ill, and I was ill for a number of years, and a big part of what was going on was that my energy was all scrambled, and meridians that were needed to go forward were going backwards, and I didn't have very much energy in my physical body, so I couldn't sustain, my body couldn't sustain the physical functions very well. And so while I won't say that Qigong was the thing that turned me around, if I hadn't done the Qigong, the other stuff wouldn't have worked, because the Qigong got my energy flowing in a healthier way. It helped me build energy in my body, and all of that enabled the physical treatments that I was doing to be able to work and to work better. There was a time that nothing worked. My energy was too upset for any treatment to make sense to my body. So doing the Qigong started to smooth out my energy flow, helped it move, helped me help supplements be able to help me. And the more I did Qigong, the more the Qigong benefited me. So it's this upward spiral of, as you bring more energy in a healthful way into your body, you're more able to become healthy, which allows you to bring more energy into your body, and so on. So through the Qigong practices, I was bringing this energy into my body, and it was building up my health. So not only has it helped me become more healthy, but like, even if I, for whatever reason, get out of my Qigong habit, say for a few days, a week, whatever, I'll tell you, during that time, I notice my energy level isn't as high, my mood isn't as positive, life seems more of a struggle, I don't feel as resourceful, like, I'm not as relaxed, there's a lot of things, and then within one day of getting back into the Qigong, wow, I can turn around and I can feel so much better, because I can get back into that habit, and I've trained to be able to do those Qigong practices quite effectively. So I'd love to hear if Qigong has changed your life. You know, how has it helped you, or has it helped you? You can leave that in the comments below. It'd be great to find out other ways that Qigong makes all of us feel great. All right, see you.